Understanding the phrase, estranged. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, estranged. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in conversations and writing. Let's get started. Estranged is an adjective. At its core, it describes a relationship that used to be close but has grown distant or cold due to disagreements, misunderstandings, or other reasons. It's commonly used to describe family relationships or close friendships that have suffered a rift. Example, she is estranged from her family. 1. Family relationships. The most common use is in the context of family. It might refer to parents, siblings, or children who no longer have a close bond. 2. Her estranged husband hasn't been in touch for years. 3. Friendships. Sometimes, close friendships can break down, leading to an estrangement. 4. They were best friends in school, but now they are estranged. 5. Professional relationships. While less common, it can also refer to professional relationships that have soured. 6. The estranged business partners went their separate ways after the disagreement. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the depth of a word. Some synonyms for estranged are alienated, disconnected, distanced, isolated. Example replacements. She is alienated from her family. They feel disconnected after the big fight. And there we have it. Estranged is a powerful word that conveys distance in a relationship that was once close. Whether it's a family tie or a close friendship, understanding and using this term can help you express complex emotions in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, communication is key to mending any estranged relationship.